Hello everyone, this is Rabbia. In this video, we will solve question number 5 from exercise 6.1, chapter number 6. Find the domain of the rational functions. Part 1 is function of x is equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Let y is equals to function of x. Y is equals to x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. This is u and this is v. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं. x plus 1 d by dx of x minus 1 minus x minus 1 d by dx of x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. dy by dx is equals to x plus 1. इसका डेरिवेटिव इज़ 1 माइनस x माइनस 1 एंड इसका डेरिवेटिव भी 1 x प्लस 1 का होल स्क्वायर. dy by dx इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 1 माइनस x माइनस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय x प्लस 1 होल स्क्वायर. dy by dx is equals to x plus 1 minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Positive x and negative x cancel. 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Now part 2 is function of x is equals to 3x minus 2 divided by 2x square plus 3. And part 3 is x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now part 4 is function of x is equals to x square plus 9 divided by x cube. Part 2 and part 3 आप लोग खुद सॉल्व कीजिएगा. I am solving part 4. Let y is equals to function of x and y is equals to x square plus 9 divided by x cube. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to d by dx of x square plus 9 divided by x cube. dy by dx is equals to x cube d by dx of x square plus 9 minus x square plus 9 derivative of v, that is x cube divided by x cube का whole square. x cube इसका डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगा 2x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 9 इंटू 3x स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय x की पावर 6. टू एक्स 4 माइनस ब्रैकेट ओपन करते हैं 3x4 माइनस 27x स्क्वायर divided by x6. dy by dx is equals to minus x4 minus 27x square divided by x की power 6. x square common minus x square minus 27 डिवाइडेड बाय x की पावर 6 एंड ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास dy by dx इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 27 डिवाइडेड बाय x की पावर 4.